Residents of Phangcherop village inside Kolamati area falling under the 25 Nilip MEC constituency has expressed a deep dismay over pain and sufferings due to appalling condition of the road as they remained deprived of road and other basic facilities. The present condition of this village has almost remained the same as their forefathers who established the village. Communication woes are a major issue for the villagers as they are forced to undergo the pain and hardships which reaches its peak during the ongoing monsoon seasons. Due to the absence of road, lives of the people, especially women, children and students are the ones who are most affected. Lack of road daily affects the villagers on their work, education, health, economic and social life. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that a contractor identified as one, Binit Saha of Silonijan, was awarded contract for construction of road from Kolamati Presbyterian Mission Tiniali to link the village, but so far nothing has been seen on the ground. Further, the contractor continued to remain invisible even after being issued show cause notice several times in the past. Following this, local people of the village has demanded local MEC Pobitro Rongpi for immediate termination of contract awarded to Binit Saha without any further delay as the road is becoming non-pliable and are only prolonging the plight of the villagers.
Non-nalitum karju sonthot nilita karju kangtung ikitum council kelong non-an ningkan proxy cap lo di 70 years lo. Aprang-prang sarkar tum kopiepo si matha thedet ma. Di pini BJP Sarkar wangdet pensi keceng si ilitum nilibalong BBDC towar bendang lok atok anodo ana towar ilitum keklem nang lok kasi non laso towar sa tami Kolamati Mission Tiniali pendak Phangcheropan kedam tang council SOPD pendak paklem lok pen non put hot laso towar anso si akimi towar ke bonaye pansi nisit pua scheme along setami ditum proposal dengpon lo pipon lo Assam Sarkar pan pilo kasi aprang Sarkar tungjong si lahai towar non BBDC towar punon Congress Sarkar hot kuan lo nei litum memorandum kipi kuan lo nei litum kacingki kacithan setami hula so towar nang claim pipedel lo non BJP Sarkar wang that si non selunjan tu choki hola so BBDC towar setami ton claim bomb lo nang tum dat long lo.
Samsonic Tis report from Kolamati for Karbi Anglong Live.